New Claude free update is insane. You are wasting time. Every day you open Claude, type your question, and start from scratch. Your files are in Google Drive, your tasks are in Notion, your messages are in Slack, and Claude has no idea any of that exists. You copy, you paste, you repeat, over and over. But what if Claude could just see all of that automatically? That is exactly what just changed, and the wildest part? It is completely free. Hey, I am Skyler, your AI educator. I break down AI tools so you can actually use them, save time, and build better workflows. If you are new here, welcome. Hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Today we are talking about one of the biggest free upgrades Claude has ever released: connectors, app integrations, and a brand new feature called skills. We are going through all of it, step by step, so by the end of this, you will know exactly how to set it up and use it today. In February 2026, Anthropic took 3 features that were only available to paid subscribers and opened them up to everyone on the free plan. No subscription required. Those 3 features are connectors, skills, and file creation. Let me break each one down. Connectors are direct links between Claude and the apps you already use every day. We are talking Notion, Slack, Google Drive, Gmail, Canva, Figma, Asana, Monday.com, WordPress, and a lot more. When you connect one of these apps, Claude stops being just a chat window and starts becoming something that actually knows your work. It can read your Notion pages, check your Asana tasks, search your Google Drive, draft messages in Slack, and it does all of this with your actual data, not screenshots, not copy-pasted text. A real, secure, two-way connection. Now here is the technology behind it, because this part matters. Connectors are built on something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Anthropic created MCP as an open standard. Think of it like a universal adapter, a common language that lets Claude communicate with any app or tool. Before MCP, every AI integration was a one-off custom build, slow and messy. MCP changes that. Any developer can now build a connector using this standard, and it just works with Claude. That is why the directory has grown so fast. As of early 2026, there are over 200 connectors available across productivity, design, communication, engineering, finance, and healthcare. And there is a newer layer on top of this called MCP apps, which are interactive connectors. These actually render live interfaces inside your Claude conversation. So instead of Claude just describing what is in your Asana board, the actual task board appears right inside the chat. You can click it, update it, interact with it, without switching tabs. Here is what some of the key connectors are documented to do. The Asana connector turns your conversations into projects, tasks, and timelines your team can act on directly in Asana. The Slack connector is fully two-way. You can use Claude inside Slack through direct messages or by tagging Claude in a thread. And you can connect Slack to Claude so it searches your channels and files during conversations. Google Drive lets Claude search and access your actual documents, so you do not have to paste everything in manually. Canva lets you search templates, create designs, and export them straight from a prompt. Figma is interactive and renders a live design interface right inside your conversation. Box lets you search files and preview documents inline. And Zapier connects Claude to thousands of additional apps through automated workflows. So even if an app does not have its own connector yet, Zapier is your bridge. All of this is live in the connectors directory right now. I want to pause here for a second. When I first started figuring all of this out, it was genuinely overwhelming. There is so much happening with AI tools right now. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me show you exactly how to set this up. It takes under 2 minutes. Step 1, go to claude.ai and log into your account. The free account works fine. Step 2, click the plus button in the lower left corner of your chat, or type a /. A menu will pop up. Step 3, click Connectors. You will see the full directory. Find the app you want. Step 4, click Connect. You will go through a standard login process. You approve the permissions. Claude never sees your password. Done. From that point on, Claude has access to that app in your conversations. You can connect multiple apps, disconnect them anytime, and control exactly what Claude can see and do. One thing worth knowing, directory connectors are free for everyone. Custom connectors, where you add your own MCP server URL, require a paid plan. And the interactive connectors that render live interfaces inside your chat also require a paid plan. But the core connections to tools like Notion, Slack, Google Drive, Gmail, Canva, and more, free. Now, the two other features most people are skipping right past. Skills. Skills are custom instruction sets you save once, and Claude follows them every time. Instead of re-explaining your preferences at the start of every conversation, you set it up once and Claude just knows. Your formatting preferences, your tone, your audience, whatever your workflow needs. Set it once, forget it. File creation. Free users can now generate actual files directly inside Claude conversations. PowerPoint slides, Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, PDFs. You describe what you want. Claude builds it, you download and use it. That is a big deal for anyone doing real work. On top of all that, Anthropic also improved free conversations to run longer without losing context, added better interactive displays, improved image search, and enhanced voice features. Here's the bigger picture. Right around this same time, ChatGPT started putting ads in conversations. Anthropic went the opposite direction. More features, more access, no ads. The connectors directory is also growing fast. Developers can submit their own connectors. Anthropic reviews and lists them, so the number of apps you can connect is only going to increase from here. If you are not sure where to start, my recommendation is simple. Pick one app you already use every single day. Just one. Connect it to Claude. If you write a lot, start with Google Drive or Notion. If you manage projects, try Asana or Linear. If you work with a team, go with Slack or Gmail. If you are in design, connect Canva or Figma. Start with one, see what changes, then build from there. The setup takes 2 minutes, and the time you get back compounds every day you use it. If you're looking to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working, what is not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid, practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. New AI content every week. I will see you in the next one.